That's a great question. Let's do a sound check. I'm gonna compare the unwrapping of a fully biodegradable and plastic-free August day pad and one of the old pads that I used to use before I switched to August. Starting off with the August day pad, these wrappers are made of bioethylene, which kind of is similar to the material of your compost bags if you've ever used one of those. So let's just open this up. Okay, that is an August day pad. And here goes unnamed competitor brand. Quick scrunch test, August. Random brand. Drop a comment, which one was the quieter unboxing?